Hey guys, welcome to Easy Paintings by Ishita. Today we are going to be making a face mask. I have made this face mask after a lot of research as my baby refused to use the elastic face mask because it was hurting her ears. So finally I came up with a very easy solution that we can do it with just one t-shirt. So I have taken a men's t-shirt which is medium in size, and these are the few masks that I've made. So I have made a mama baby matching face mask and a Peppa Pig face mask. So let me show you how to do this very easily. So a medium size adult men's t-shirt I have taken. I've already used the lower part, so this is the top part. So in total I was able to get 3 adult masks and 3 kids mask out of it. So here I have just folded this t-shirt into 2 and just measure your face. So from the top part of the nose till the bottom of the chin, so measure it width-wise and just make a cut. So I'm using the regular scissors because I'm not a professional, it doesn't have a stitching scissor. Just use it as it is, and if at all it comes out a little not right, you can just later cut off the excess. So as you can see, the line is not straight. So I'm just correcting this into a straight line. Just eyeball it, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now just open the 2 folds and now you will get a circle out of the t-shirt cutting. So on one of the sides where the 2 parts are joining, I'll be cutting that part. So cut out the seams. Okay, after you open this fabric, this is how it will look. Now measure your face from ear to ear. So mine is this much, and I am taking about an inch in the beginning and in the end, which will be my seam allowance. Okay, so this is where it ends. So I am just folding this part so that I get the entire width of the face plus 1 inch in the front, 1 inch in the back, and then I will cut it at that point. Okay, so once you cut this, it will look like this. So this is the adult face size I have taken, and 1 inch in the front and at the back. And you can do the same step for the kids. So now I have folded this fabric upside down, so the down part is up and you can see the seam allowance. So I'm just correcting it into a straight line, just trimming it off. Okay, so this is how the fabric will look. Now you can see the wrong side is up. So now I'm just folding about half an inch on both the sides, just about half an inch. And I will apply slits with the help of my scissors. So just little slits, it shouldn't be all the way through, it should be just a little. Just little holes. Okay, this is done on this side, and let's do the other side as well. Again, just half inch fold and just little slits on the side. Don't press it too hard, it has to be very less. Okay, so on both the sides, the slits have been made. I will now keep the fabric on the side. Now take the t-shirt back, and I'm just cutting about half an inch of fabric, again in a straight line. Alright, so like about an inch of fabric is now cut. This will look something like this. As this is a t-shirt material, if you stretch this fabric, it will curl up and form a string. So one of the strings is done. Let's do the other one. So both the strings are now done. So these strings are again fabric strings that is very soft, and your kids would be happy using this because it will not hurt them. So the fabric, my main fabric is still upside down with the wrong side up, and now I will be inserting these strings through the loops that we just made. Now let's do the other side as well. Alright, so both the sides are done. It is still upside down. So now we will just reverse this fabric to the right side on the top. This will look something like this. Just trim off any uneven surface. And now you can insert a filter. So I am inserting a paper towel inside. And if you pull out the strings, you can tie it up for the ear loops, or you can just tie it on the top of the head or behind the head with these two strings. So it can be used both the ways as per your convenience. So this is how I made the adult size, and I have made two for my daughter. One is Mama Baby matching, and one is the Peppa Pig, as she wanted a character mask. So let me show you how I have made that. I have taken acrylic paint, and with the help of the back of the paintbrush, I have just made some random dots. Very simple, and once this is dry, it can be used. And for washing this, you can just put it in the washer dryer. It will not bleed because acrylic color is just like plastic, so it will stick onto the fabric. And this is how I have made the other one, which is for Peppa Pig. So friends, you can actually customize this mask to any character that you want, and I'm sure the kids would love it, because my daughter always wanted Peppa Pig mask and I couldn't find it anywhere. On Etsy I could find it for like 30 bucks, which is like very expensive. So with one t-shirt now I can make 6 face masks, that is 3 adults and 3 for kids, without anything or without spending a single penny. So we just returned from a 2-mile walk, and my 4-year-old baby did not have to adjust his face mask even once. So I hope you like this video. Kindly comment below, share this video with everybody you want them to know, and kindly subscribe to my channel as I do painting videos. So thank you very much for visiting Easy Paintings by Ishita. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye bye.